let's create order 4 tree. For the given set of values. So the first value is Aryan, then second value is Riddhi, so that will be inserted here, Riddhi, and after that the third value is Forum, so it will be inserted in between these two. So I am writing these values, right? So this is my leaf node after insertion of 3 values. Now the fourth value is Kirtan, which will fall between Forum and Riddhi, right? Here. But now as our tree is order 4 tree, the leaf node or any node cannot have values more than 3, and here there are 4 values, so we need to split the tree, and we are going to split the tree using this value. Okay, this is the median value. So now it will go one level up, and now we'll have the tree with Kirtan in the root node, Aryan and Forum on left side, and Kirtan and Riddhi on right side. Next value is Vats, which will be inserted here. There is no problem, 3 values can be possible. Then there is the value Moksh, which will be inserted before K. Okay, no, after K. So here we need to insert this value, but as values are more than 3, and therefore splitting is required. Okay, and we are going to split this tree using this value. Fine, so this value will move up, and then we'll have the tree after splitting with Kirtan and Riddhi on the root node, and all other values are in the leaf node, because as of now there is no internal node. So Kirtan and Moksh, and here Riddhi and Vats. Okay, then the next value is Varun. Okay, so Varun will be inserted before Vats. So we'll write this value here. There is no problem with the value because there are 3 values. Next value is Shlok, which will be inserted between these two. Okay, so we need to split the tree. These 2 values will be in the left pointer and 2 values will be in the right pointer. We are going to split the tree using value Varun, which will go one level higher. Okay, so now the next step, in the next step we are going to have these values on the top, 3 values, right? This left side will remain as it is. Okay, here we'll have sorry, with Riddhi and Shlok. right side. Varun, Vats. Okay. um, Now the next value is Dipang, then Homak. Okay, so Dipang will be inserted between these two here. So I am writing directly. Okay, then the next value is Homak. Let me confirm. Yes, it is Homak, then Dev, and then Manas. So Homak will be inserted here. Okay, but there are 4 values, so now we need to split the tree, and uh, these 2 values will be in the right side, this will be in the left pointer, and we are going to split the tree through forum. So this value will move upward, right? And then in the new tree we are going to have 4 values on the root with forum on the leftmost side. So now this should be splitted as this, and Riddhi will move in the root node. Okay, so I am writing this. I hope it will be visible in this page. Okay, so Riddhi will be in the top. Then we will have forum, Kirtan. Now here we'll have Riddhi and Varun, but Riddhi will be repeated in all the nodes. Okay, so we have these 2 values actually, but then Riddhi will be repeated in root, in internal node, and in this leaf node. So we'll remove this value. Okay, we don't write Riddhi here. Fine. Then in the left of forum we'll have Aryan, Dipang. In the right pointer of forum, 2 values, forum and Homak. In the right pointer of Kirtan, there are 2 values, Kirtan and Moksh. And now here we'll have Riddhi, Shlok, Varun and Vats. Okay, and the next value is Dev, right? Yeah, Dev and then Manas. So Dev will be inserted after Dipang, no problem with the insertion, and then last value is Manas. So HIJKLMM, Manas, it will be inserted after Kirtan. So this is the final tree. Okay, final tree, you can check your answers. This is the final tree, order 4 tree. This is order 4. Fine.